Okay, well students, in our lower classes we are already known about some geometrical figures and also we discussed about lines and angles. So in lines and angles, so we state a theorem: when two lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite angles are equal. That one we are proved in last class. Related to that, we discussed two problems. Now directly I can pass on to the exercise problem. So note down. The first problem in today's class is in the figure is given OP, OQ, OR and OS are four rays. Please stop. Prove POQ angle, write neatly, POQ plus QOR, POQ plus QOR plus SOR plus POS is equal to 360 degree. Write down the diagram. One ray, this ray is O, Q, and another ray, this is OP, and the next ray, this is OS, and another ray like this, OR. So like this, four rays are having same common point. Usually we know that a circle interior angle is 360 degree, but here we have to prove that POQ plus POQ plus SQOR plus SOR plus POS is 360 degree. For that, construction is needed. Any one ray you can produce backwards. Now I will produce OQ left side like this, opposite to OQ. I will draw another ray, that is OT. So now opposite to OQ, so I will draw OTO line, TO line. It makes TOP, TOQ is a straight line. TOQ is a straight line. You can make it as a straight line. We know that linear pair of adjacent angle sum is 180 degree. Therefore, so it means what we have done here, draw OT backwards of OQ. It makes therefore TOP is a straight line. TOP is a straight line. Now on TOP, which ray is standing? OP ray is standing. That OP makes two adjacent linear pair of angle. What is the sum of adjacent linear pair of angle? Yes, 180 degree. Therefore, POT angle plus POQ angle is equal to 180 degree. Call this as equation 1. The reason is linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles sum is how much degree? Yes, 180 degree. Observe here, these two, this angle and this angle are linear pair of angles. Sum of the two linear pair of angle is 180 degree. Again, QOR plus ROS plus SOT is how much degree? That is also 180 degree, because a lane, two rays are standing standing on that line. Therefore, again from the figure, yes, TOS plus SOR plus SQOR is equal to 180 degree. Call this as equation 2. The reason is linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. Now observe here. Here sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Sum of these three angles are also 180 degree. You can add equation 1 and 2. By adding equation 1 and 2. While adding equation 1 and 2, you have to add left side with left side, right side with right side. That is POT plus POQ plus TOS plus SOR again plus QOR is equal to, here is POT plus POQ is 180 degree plus RHS here is also 180 degree. In RHS 180 degree plus 180 degree. Now observe here from the figure, POT plus TOS plus TOS is how much? That too is the adjacent angles of POS. Instead of POT plus TOS, we can write POS. Therefore, POQ, you can write as it is. POQ and QOR plus SOR plus, observe here, POQ we have written, QOR we have written, SOR we have written. What is the sum of these two angles? POT plus TOS is POS. That is POS, which is equal to 180 plus 180, 360 degree. So like this, we have to prove by taking linear pair of angles. Once again, what we did here, we produced OQ ray backwards to OT. We made it as a straight line. DOP is a straight line. After that, we have taken these two adjacent angles, that is POT plus POQ is equal to 180 degree, because we know that these two are linear pair of angles. Next, we know that sum of these three are also 180 degree. TOS plus SOR plus QR is equal to 180 degree. By observing the diagram, you can write TOS plus SOR plus QR is also 180 degree. Add equation 1 and 2. So like this, you can get the what we have to prove, that is to be proved. Like this way, you have to prove POQ plus QR plus SOR plus POS is equal to 360 degree. By this, we got that a point is considered. Any number of rays you can draw like this. That is always 360 degree. So that is the interior angle of a circle. So here we made it as a straight line. On that line, so we made clearly that the linear pair of angle. So by this way you can solve the given question. Thank you. Next we can proceed to next problem. Yes, write down that question. I think probably all of you have a textbook with you. By knowing the exercise clearly, you can copy the question. So read properly and write it properly. The next question is here in the figure. In the figure means they are given the diagram. In the figure they are given the diagram. Line AB and CD. AB and CD are two lines. Intersect at O. Intersect at O. If AOC angle plus BOE angle is equal to 70 degree. Sum of these two angles is 70 degree. And BOD is equal to 40 degree. Find BOE and reflex COE angle. Now can write on the diagram like this. Here is A, B is a line. Here is a point O. On that point OC ray and OE ray are standing, and this is extended. AB and CD are two lines. AB and CD are two lines intersect at O. That is the question they are given. Observe carefully. In the figure, from this figure, AB is one line, CD is another line. Intersect at O. It will intersect here. If AOC plus BOE, sum of these two angles is given, it is 70 degree. And BOD, from the figure BOD, this angle is how much degree? 40 degree. Find BOE, observe here, BOE angle you can calculate, and reflex COE. It means we want to find COE, very easily we can get the reflex COE. Therefore, to find, what are all the things we have to find? Yes, BOE angle you can calculate, and reflex COE angle you can calculate. If you want to calculate reflex COE, we have to find COE angle. COE angle. Given, what they are given, very easy. Yes, BOD angle is given, which is 40 degree, and AOC angle plus BOE angle, sum of these two angles is 70 degree they are given. These two things are very important. What they are given, what we have to find. So come to the solution. What we have to find? You have to find BOE. Observe here, directly it is not possible to find BOE. So with the help of BOD, very easily we can say that AOC. BOD must be equal to AOC, because AB and CD are two side lines intersect each other. Why these two are equal? What type of angles these two? Yes, these two are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, BOD is 40 degree, AOC is also 40 degree. So, AOC angle is equal to BOD angle, which is equal to 40 degree. The reason is vertically opposite angles. Now we got AOC angle. Now with the help of this AOC, BOE is 70 degree. We know that. So we know AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. What is AOC? AOC is equal to BOD, which must be equal to 40 degree. So AOC is 40 degree plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. Now what we have to do? Transpose 40 degree to, yes, RHS. BOE is equal to 70 degree minus 40 degree. The difference of these two, BOE angle, which is equal to 30 degree, because 70 minus 40 is 30. Now we got this angle is 30 degree. Which angle? BOE angle. We got BOE. BOE is how much? 30 degree. Again find reflex COE. Which is reflex COE? This is reflex COE. It's mean directly not possible. So we know that AB is a straight line. AB is a line. Therefore, AOC and OE standing on AB. AOC plus COE plus BOE is equal to 180 degree linear pair of angles. What is AOC? Yes, 40 degree. We don't know COE. What is BOE? 30 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. So COE, add these two, we are already known 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, COE is equal to 180 degree, 70 will become minus 70 because we are transferring from LHS to RHS. Therefore, COE angle is equal to 110 degree. 180 minus 70 is 110. That is COE angle. Now we want to find reflex COE. How to find reflex COE? So total is 360 minus COE is reflex COE. Remember once again, reflex COE means in last problem we are already known. Many rays can be drawn in a single point, that sum of angles is 360 degree. A circle interior angle is 360 degree. Among that you can subtract COE. Therefore 360 degree minus 110 degree. So therefore reflex COE angle is equal to 0. 5 minus 6 minus 1 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. 250 degree. 250 plus 110 is 360. Like this you can calculate the remaining angles. Once again look here. So what they are given? Diagram is given. In that diagram AB and CD, two lines intersect each other. From this we came to know that vertically opposite angles are equal. And also they are given AOC plus BOE 70 degree and BOD angle is given 40 degree. With the help of this we got AOC. So BOD is 40 degree. So AOC plus BOE is 70 degree. AOC, now we have to find AOC. Remember AOC which is equal to BOD which is equal to 40 degree because that two angles are vertically opposite angles. So we know that AOC plus BOE is 70 degree. Therefore directly 40 degree plus BOE is equal to 70 degree, or here itself directly you can substitute 70 degree instead of AOC plus BOE. Instead of this one also even you can work out directly, because so some of these two angles are given. So that angle plus this angle is how much degree? Yes, 180 degree. Now reflexive OE, which is 360 minus 110 degree, because COE is 110 degree. So we got reflexive OE is how much? It is 250 degree. Yes, you have to work out this same one. I will pass on to the next question. So these questions are there in your textbook. So you can copy and work out. So the next one, very interesting one. In the figure, in the figure, line XY and MN intersect at O, if POY angle is equal to 90 degree and A is to B is equal to 2 is to S3, find C. So the diagram is like this. Yes, this is an XY line and one line which is perpendicular to XY, that is OP. OP is perpendicular to XY, this angle is 90 degree, and another ray is passing like this, that is MN. MN and XY are two intersecting lines. Now here this angle is A, this angle is B, and this one is C. You can find C. If you find B, very easily you can get C. Now observe here, A is to B, E is to 2 is to 3. Before that, we know that POY is 90 degree, POY is equal to POX, which is also 90 degree, because XY is a ray, XY is a line. So XY is a line means OP is always perpendicular to XY, because POY is 90 degree, POX is also 90 degree. POX is also 90 degree. With the help of this, A is to B is given. It is 2 is to 3 ratio. What is A? A is MOP angle, B is MOX angle. Its ratio is given 2 is to 3. Find its sum of ratio. Sum of ratio 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now what does A part says? So A, that is angle A, is always equal to A measures, which is equal to its part is 2, total part is 5. Total angle is 90 degree. Once again look here. So angle A measures 2 by 5 of 90 degree. 2 by 5 of 90 degree. Why we are written 90 degree? Because POX angle is 90 degree. How can we get POX angle 90 degree? Because POX and POY are linear pair of angles. POY is 90 degree, the remaining angle POX is also 90 degree. Now 5 ones are 5, remaining 4, 5 eights are 40, 18 fives are 90. Once again look here, 5 ones are 5, remaining 4, it will become 40, 5 eights are 40. Therefore A measures 18 twos are 36 degree. So therefore, remember, find, we got A is 36 degree B measures its part is 3 by 5 into 90 degree. 5 ones are 5 18s are. Now 8 3s are 24. So 3 ones are 3 plus 1. Observe here. 54. Oh, 18 3s are 54. Once again look here. 18 3s are 54. That is the measure of angle B. Angle B measures, yes, how much degree? Yes. Check it. 8 3s are 24. 2. 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5. So it is 54. Now 36 plus 54 is 90 degree. Sum of these two you can verify in that way. Sum of that two 90 degree. We got B measures 54 degree. Why we have to calculate B? Without calculating B, it is not possible to find C. Not possible to see. So now C measures. Therefore, so a YON angle is equal to MOX angle. What are these? These are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, C measures that must be equal to angle B 54 degree. C measures 54 degree. C is also 54 degree. A is to B, 2 is to 3. Find C. So it means when we calculate B angle, definitely very easily we can identify C angle. Or another method, find A angle plus 90 plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. Even you will get in that method also. Different methods are there. You can follow any one method. In that way, we have to find angle C with the help of given data. Okay. So, shall we pass on to next problem? All problems are very easy. And another one, proof is given. I think that is based on triangle and the line. So, what is the question they are given? In the figure, PQR angle is equal to PRQ angle. Then prove that PQS angle is equal to PRT angle. Now here is a diagram, a line. That line is ST is a line, and here is a triangle like this. That is PQR, and these two angles are equal. Very interesting one. Yes. PQR. Identify PQR angle in this diagram. Yes, PQR is this angle. That is equal to PRQ angle, this angle. Show that PQS means this angle, that must be equal to PRT angle. How? Yes. Now ST is a line. What is that one? ST is a line. So suppose you can imagine PQ is a ray standing on ST. Standing on ST. What is the sum of these two angles? What is the sum of these two angles? Yes, that is 180 degree. Sum of these two is 180 degree. Therefore, PQS plus PQR is equal to 180 degree. Call this as equation 1. The reason is linear pair of angles. Look at once again. PQ is a line standing on SR. Sum of these two are linear pair of angles are 180 degree. In the same way, ST is a line, R is a point. So observe these two angles. What is the sum of these two angles? That is also 180 degree. Therefore, PRQ plus PRT is equal to 180 degree. Call this as equation 2. The reason is linear pair of angles. Now observe here. Sum of these two 180 degree. Sum of these two are also 180 degree. Compare 1 and 2. Compare equation 1 and 2. Yes, RHS are equal. 180, 180 are equal. Therefore, LHS are also equal. Things which are equal to one another are always equal according to axiom. So 1 and 2 are equal. Therefore, we can say that PQS plus PQR is equal to PRQ plus PRT. Now observe here, PQR is equal to PRQ. PQR will cancel with PRQ because the two are equal. So equals are there on both the side. Equals are added to equals. The wholes are equal. Equals are subtracted from the whole. The remainders are also equal. In that way, according to axiom, so same thing on both sides. Same thing on both sides, that is to be eliminated. Therefore, what is remaining? PQS is equal to PRT. So that is the proof. PQR is equal to PRT. In this way, we have to prove PQS is equal to PRT. Here, which procedure? What is the main thing we are found? We have taken linear pair of angles is 180 degree. Linear pair of angles is 180 degree and compared equation 1 and 2. So after that we cancel PQR and PRQ are equal. Equals on both sides. So that is to be cancelled. Now remaining thing PQS and here remaining thing PRT. So PQR is equal to PRT. It says that so interior angles are equal, exterior angles are also equal. Okay, you can copy that one. We have to work out one by one. And the last problem in today's class. So write down that problem. Yes, I think today we have taken more problems. All problems are very easy. If x plus y is equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line in the following figure. Yes. So now write down that diagram. Okay. Yes. Like this. AB, call this as AB, and this is C. This point is D, and this point is O. So this is X, it is Y, and this is Z, and this one is W. Yes. Now, so X plus Y is equal to W plus Z. They are given the data. So X plus Y must be equal to W plus Z. Prove that AOB. So remember AOB. This is a line. Prove that AOB is a line. So if you want to prove AOB is a line, you have to show that X plus Y is 90 degree or W plus Z is 90 degree. What they are given? in this diagram, given x plus y is equal to w plus z. What we have to prove? AOB is a line. We have to prove that AOB is a line, which means x plus y is equal to 90 degree. Then we can say that AOB is a line. Now let us come to the solution or a proof. Observe carefully. So AB and OC and OD, OA, OB, like that 4 rays are given, the straight line is not given. So what is the sum of all these 4 angles? Just now we discussed it. Yes, it is 360 degree. How much it is? 360 degree. X, that is BOC angle, plus Y, that is COA angle, plus AOD Z, plus DOB W is equal to how much? Yes, it is 360 degree. X plus Y plus yes Z plus W is equal to 360 degree. Remember, the total angle, all rays are having same starting point. It is 360 degree. So x plus y you can write as it is. Z plus W. Observe here, x plus y is same as W plus Z. W plus Z or Z plus x. In the place of Z plus W, you can write x plus y, which is equal to 360. X plus x, yes, 2x. Y plus y, 2y, which is 360 degree. Next, what we have to do? You can take 2 as a common factor. Remaining x plus y is equal to 360 degree. Now 2 you can cross multiply. X plus y is equal to 360 by 2. Yes, x plus y is equal to 2 1s are 2 8s are 0. Now therefore it is not 90, so it is 180 degree, because we want to say OB is a line. That is not 90. 90 means just a right angle. That is not a straight line. So 180 degree. Therefore x plus y is equal to 180 degree. If x plus y is equal to 180, then what do you say about AB? So from the figure, AOB is a line. Therefore AOB is a line, because x plus y is 180 degree. Like this you have to do one by one. Thank you, one and all.